how to set up cross-domain tracking with Google Analytics version 4. In this video session, I'm going to show you how you can track different domains. Simply log into Google Analytics. On the data stream, find the data stream that you have. Go to Configure Tag Settings, and here you have Configure Your Domains. What you need to do is add the domain that you want to cross-track. So in my example, I'm saying match type is this, contains this in the domain portion, and then the other domain that you want to track, you can keep adding conditions accordingly, okay? And then simply save changes.